Poverty-stricken people come from far-flung areas for charity. Some are desperate destitutes. This man needs financial help to maintain the rhythm of his ailing heart. He needs 2,20,000 rupees for an operation.
डॉक्टर ने लिख दिया इधर अस्पताल में 2,20,000 का.
But for many others, there are budgetary constraints.
This year we have not got the sufficient funds, but if we get the budget which is allocated to Pakistan Baitul Mal, then inshallah we will be able to process the cases.
But it seems Baitul Mal has no financial constraints. At least it does not appear from its recent report glorifying the managing director Zamurat Khan.
No doubt it's very expensive if we just think about the government department and the budgets of the governments and so many other things normally which we are listening every day.
आप से अगर देखें 250 पर कॉपी तो ये आपकी कॉस्ट करती है 3,000 copies, 750,000.
Yeah, it is expensive.
And the money came from Baitul Mal budget, of course.
Yes, of course, it came from Pakistan Baitul Mal budget.
But the managing director strongly defends the publication.
देखें जी ज़ाहिर है फंक्शन ही मेरे हवाले से हैं ज़ाहिर है जो भी फंक्शन होता है उसमें मैं मौजूद होता हूँ तो उसमें तो वो आती हैं उसके अंदर तस्वीरें इसको आप ज़रूर पढ़ें इसके अंदर आप
इसमें तो सब देखने की चीज़ें पढ़ने की तो कम
नहीं है जी आपको पता है कि लोगों के पास जो है ना पढ़ने के लिए बहुत कम टाइम होता है ये आसिफ अली जरदारी साहब हमारे प्रेसिडेंट साहब की पिक्चर है और उसके साथ साथ वज़ीर आज़म पाकिस्तान यूसुफ रज़ा गिलानी साहब और ये जो मैं ये हमारी फेडरल मिनिस्टर समीना खालिद गुरकी साहबा इनकी भी माशाल्लाह इसके अंदर काफ़ी सारी ये अल्लामा इकबाल तो नहीं लेकिन यहाँ जब से मैं बैठा हूँ तो काफ़ी सारा सोचना पड़ता है कि लोगों की क्या हालत है पूरे पाकिस्तान के अंदर.
Why it was important to put president's pictures and prime minister's pictures?
Why president and prime minister's pictures? Of course, they are the back of this whole scheme. When IDPs came, the order
are they doing some personal favor to the people of Pakistan, or it is their duty?
No, it's their duty.
The computer person in the Baitul Mal office defends the report, but also says there are inexpensive ways of doing it.
IT is more effective and more cheaper as compared to the printed material because it goes into more hands and it reaches now to your bedroom, to your drawing room, to your kids' room.
Pakistan's most famous social worker Abdul Sattar Edi, even he has never been able to publicize his works like this. And this is Pakistan Baitul Mal, one of the government's organization using government's money. And these pictures, they tell a different story, a story of self-aggrandizement by the managing director of Baitul Mal, and of course all other politicians who have been appearing in this particular booklet. Out of over 200 pictures, 190 pictures personally projected, only the managing director of Pakistan Baitul Mal. It is only hoped that next year such kind of money is spent on the people who come here in hundreds every day to get this charity. Matiullah Jan, Dawn News, Islamabad.